everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm at my mother's house. I'm enjoying the nice, lovely weather that we're having, but we went to the Dollar Tree. Every single time I come to visit my mom's house, I always want to visit at least 2 of the Dollar Trees that are in her area, because I always find stuff that I'm always trying to look for, or just, I don't know, I just absolutely love these 2 Dollar Trees. One of them I'm always finding great finds. So between the Dollar Trees that I went to, I'm here to share with you guys what I got with my little haul. So they already got Halloween stuff. One store had a bunch of Halloween stuff out already, which is kind of crazy. But you know what? I think everybody's just ready to be done with summer. I think summer's just been kind of depressing because we can't do very much. I mean, there's still a lot of stuff we can do, but I just feel like, you know, most of the pools are closed in our area. We don't even know what fall's bringing us, but you know what? I saw these and I plan on doing a stuff with my Cricut. I might make a video for it, but there's a couple projects that I was thinking of what I could do with these. So I got these. I maybe should have gotten a second one. I don't know, but these are just foam scatters. I love the foam scatters. Actually, I should probably get some more because I can do the pumpkins for Halloween and I can do the leaves for fall. So got these because those are a great little project to work on. So I have these mini cups. Now I didn't even realize to look at for other cups, but since, you know, with everything shut down lately, we've been eating a lot in our car. And my husband, you know, has to have ketchup with fries or whatever, or ranch when we eat somewhere. And I'm so sick and tired of him, like, you know, squirting it on like the bag and stuff. I'm like, we're gonna keep some paper cups in here. So I ended up getting these for our little van. So we have little cups just to squirt whatever we want and we can throw them away. I just put a garbage bin in my car, and I'll share with you guys that in a second. So I saw something on TikTok where these people use these light pads when they're weeding out their stuff with their Cricut machine. And half the time I can't see because it's really hard to see. So I ended up getting these wall tap lights for something that I'm going to work. There's an airplane flying over. But I got these to do with something that I'm going to use with my Cricut machine. I may or may not make a video, or I'll definitely be showing you guys. I'm still going to be working on a video of all the Cricut stuff that I have, but it's coming. You guys, this is a football wire form. You guys, this is like so cool. They actually have a picture of kind of the deco mesh that I use, and it says, you know, go team, go, or go team. I thought these are kind of cool. I just decided we were in line at the checkouts, and I'm like, oh, I gotta check these out. I gotta check these out. But I mean, even if you did something like, you know, actual football, that's kind of cool. But I had to get these because I am gonna start making my deco mesh wreaths again, because with everything canceled pretty much this year, I really want to start, you know, getting some crafts done so I can just do some online craft, do some local stuff just so I can sell some of my craft stuff. I also got this Icy Wild Cherry. Now, I think I've gotten this in the past. This did not taste like an icy. I wasn't really like, it didn't wow me. My kid thought it was awesome, but I thought whatever. So we just got this so we could have some treats at my mom's house, but I wasn't a big fan of this. Would I eat this again? Probably, but not for a very long time, unless, you know, we're like on a trip or something, because I feel like you can get more bang for your buck if you get something like that. Baby wipes, you guys. Now this is a 40-pack. A 40-pack of baby wipes. Now before they always had them like in a 24-pack. But I mean, 40 wipes, they usually sometimes have like, I think it's like 48 wipes or whatever in like the normal packs that you pay like $1.99 for. But I'm like, this is perfect. So I got this to keep in our van for baby wipes or just anything kind of wipes. I like it how it's not as thick, so this is perfect for like just kind of sitting in a little side pocket. So if we need to clean some stuff. But I mean, for $1, go for it. My son wanted some shampoo conditioner, and his thing is getting kind of low. So we got the White Rain Kids 3-in-1. So this is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I never even smelled it to see what it smells like, because I'm kind of mad. They used to have some watermelon bubble bath, but I have not seen it. So it kind of smells like bubble gum. I like it. Pretty excited for that. So we got some shampoo, conditioner, and then my son wanted a toothbrush. He wanted this Firefly toothbrush with a suction cup toothbrush. I'm like, go for it, kid. If you're gonna brush your teeth more, go for it, go for it, go for it. So that's what I got for that store. And then I got a couple more to share with you guys. Yes. Okay. So I found these late July chips. I've seen a couple people haul these and they said they're really good. Now my husband loves Korean barbecue like stuff. So I thought these would be good little chips to try, and especially for the Dollar Tree. These are stuff that you can buy at the stores for like $3 or $4. So we got Korean barbecue and then bacon habanero. Pretty excited. I like tortilla chips, so we will see how these taste. Pretty excited to taste this. Oh, there's a little person in my bag. That's cool. I got these Wisp. I thought I grabbed 3 of them, but I got these Wisp cracked crisp. These are the Parmesan cheese. Now they also had a different cheese, but I ate these. These are so good. They basically, I used to like eating those twisted pretzel things that are like hard as heck. They're hard to find, but I love those. I always get them when I go to Trader Joe's, but these pretty much taste exactly like them. So I thought I got 3 bags of them, but I still have a couple more bags to go through. So I got those bags of chips because those are good. I already got one and ate it. And then when I saw it again, I had to buy more because it was just awesome sauce. Now, the Dollar Tree I went to, like, I told my mom, I says, I like going to different Dollar Trees because you never know what you're going to find. Some Dollar Trees had a ton of books. One Dollar Tree had a ton of movies, so I was pretty excited to get this. So I got the movie If I Stay, which I have seen. I saw this, I don't even know how long ago. This movie is from 2014. Really? Wow. So I got this. I thought this is a cute little movie. I mean, for $1, you can't go wrong. I found this Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Lobster Claus is coming to town. It's just a Christmas special. My son loves Christmas movies, so I'm like, you know what, for $1, we love Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. We watch it all the time. I'll get it for him. This movie he's watched a couple times. It's called Igor. I've seen this pop up every once in a while, like on streaming services, and he's watched it a couple times, so I'm like, you know what, now he can watch it. And then I also found Team Hot Wheels, the Origin of Awesome, and this is a Blu-ray, DVD, and HD digital copy. I don't know if it's still, you know, good to watch. I have no idea, but this looks like it's never been opened before. I know some of the Dollar Tree videos that they sell are used ones. So we got that. I'm into making some snow globe Starbucks cups that I'm starting to make. I'm gonna be posting the video very soon. But I need measuring stuff to, you know, mix the things together. So I ended up getting some measuring cups just because I need these for what I'm gonna do, and I don't want to use my regular dishes. And then I also got this mix and serve container so I can just put stuff in here and then, you know, whatever I do. So those are for my little crafting project that I'm working on. I got these frames. Oh, I found a Lego now. I got these frames for the Dollar Tree because I was gonna take these apart, glue them together, and then I was gonna put those lights in there. And then I have this chopping mat that I have that I'm gonna use to put that over that so I can see the light through that. So otherwise, this is a glass pane, so I could figure out, I could just left the glass pane. I don't know, I didn't want it so bright looking at it, but that's super awesome that I'm going to use for, you know, my Cricut machine, so I can take some stuff off. I got one little thing in this bag. I had probably some other stuff. We got some Twizzlers. I was really craving some Twizzlers. Now, these are the regular bites. They're not like the teeny little ones, but you know what? Can't go wrong for $1. Yes, yes. And then I got one more bag for you guys. So yeah, nothing exciting. So I ended up getting 2 bags of Pinto Beans. You're like, really, Pinto Beans? So my husband is hardcore into rice lately. So I have always had a bag of rice in this garbage bin that I've had in my van. Well, he's so obsessed with rice, I didn't want to buy a rice and him seeing it, oh, I gotta use that. So I got Pinto Beans, and what I'm gonna do is I'm putting them in the bottom of my trash bin because my son thinks the back seat is just a trash bin. So I'm gonna put them in the bottom so, you know, it's got weight to it, and you know, beans they're just fine. So I just leave them right in there. Keeps it from knocking over and all that fun stuff. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. Not a lot of like cool things. I was excited about the movies. Movies are my #1 thing to always look for when I'm at the Dollar Tree. And then new crafts. So I'm excited to, you know, make some stuff. I'm excited to share with you guys some Cricut stuff. I gotta work on it, but I'll probably do it more along the fall area when everybody's just trapped inside with nothing to do. But if you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you another time. See you guys later. Bye-bye.